4 considerations for server purchase. Most businesses have a digital presence that runs on an extensive network of different computers and servers. As a company grows, its network will need to grow with it, which means new servers will need to be purchased. The following points should be considered before a business invests in new servers and hardware. Number 1. Needs of the business. Server needs can vary greatly between companies and networks. The business should have a clear idea of the level of work that is expected from a server before buying it. A low-powered server will be unable to keep up with demand, while a higher-powered one may not be used to capacity, which will turn out to be a waste of money. If the server will be used to run one application, then a low-cost server is a perfect fit. If there will be a great deal of demand on resources, then a server with higher power is the best choice. Number 2. Room to grow. When purchasing a server, a business must take into account its future growth. This is something that is often set aside in the present in order to save money and may create the necessity of buying more servers in the long term. An IT consulting company would recommend getting a server that fulfills all current needs while leaving a bit of room to grow. It may be more efficient to add CPU and RAM when necessary than to purchase multiple servers or overpay for one that will not be utilized to its full capacities. Number 3. Environmental match. It is vital that the chosen server be a match for the company environment. One decision the business will need to make is whether to buy a tower server or a rack server. If a rack is already present, then a rack server would be the right choice. Servers also require space to ensure proper airflow, sound and heat are properly handled for the most efficient operation. This will aid the server in working as long as possible and give the business the most value on its investment. Number 4. Backup plan. Any server that is added to a business's network will require configuration for backup in case the machine goes offline. Downtime can cost the company not only in money, but in employee morale, productivity, and the possibility of new business. One way to avoid a disaster is to have enough server power to meet demand, which means adding sufficient memory and space along with a good processor. All company networks should have a solid plan for backup and recovery of data. Whether a business needs to purchase one server or many, the above tips can be very helpful in the selection and setup process. Depending on the business, there may be other considerations as well. Since adding servers has a big effect on the IT structure of a network, a company may want to enlist the help of an expert in order to make the best choices for its current and future business needs. Thank you for watching.